Holiday meals are a great time for connection and quality time with our family and friends. However, the rising cost of food is making these big meals more of a strain on our monthly budgets. This might be a time when you're already feeling financially stressed, and we don't need these big meals to put more of a strain on us. So today I'd like to go over a few ways that you can try and save money at the grocery store when it comes to big holiday meals. Number one is to take stock of what you already have before you go to the grocery store. Now, this might seem intuitive, but it's amazing how many things we can overlook if we don't double check before we go to the grocery store. There might be cans of pumpkin or frozen bag of cranberries or green beans lurking somewhere in your home that you can repurpose this year during a holiday meal. Don't forget to check your spice cupboard as well. Spices can be very expensive, and you don't want to double or triple buy some of those small spices that you rarely use but are $5 or $8 a piece. Tip number two is you could have an unconventional meal. Just because it is Thanksgiving or Christmas or any other holiday that you might celebrate doesn't mean that you have to follow the normal traditional meal that happens at that time of year. If the point of a holiday meal is to get together with your friends and family, then what you're eating isn't as important as everyone getting together and sharing the meal. So feel free to buck the system and have a taco night or make lasagna. Tip number three is to create a meal plan so that you can shop ahead of your big meal. Rather than waiting until a few days before the meal happens to buy everything all at once, if you create a meal plan ahead of time, you can disperse your shopping over a few weeks and buy things when they're on sale. Chances are you already know what you're going to have for your big holiday meal, so make sure you're buying some of those items in each of your shopping trips in the weeks leading up to it. Tip number four is to make it a team effort. Rather than you taking on the load of all of the shopping and all of the cooking, you can ask the people who are coming to your house for the meal to bring something as well. This is going to take some financial stress off of you because you're not purchasing everything, but also you don't have to cook everything either, which is a big deal on a busy day. Tip number five is to create and stick to a budget for your big holiday meal. When you create a budget ahead of time, you can be intentional about your buying choices and have specific priorities for how you want to spend your money. You can use apps like You Need a Budget or Every Dollar to create a budget where you assign all of your money to a specific category before you even ever spend it. That's going to be really helpful if your budget is tight and you find you often overspend at the grocery store. I hope some of these tips help you this year as you're planning and shopping for your big holiday meals. From everyone at Plan to Eat, we hope you have a happy holidays, and I will see you again soon in another video.